every day we'd come into work and these fixtures, 1, 2, 5, were burnt out. And we were constantly directing our maintenance crew over to change them out, fix them, and then be prepared for the next day. It traditionally was just dark. People would walk to their cars and there'd be shadows in the area, and it just didn't feel welcoming and what you and I would consider safe. We had a previous relationship with FSG, and a very good one for that matter, and we felt like if we could talk to them about an LED retrofit, we certainly were anxious to see if we could afford it. That's when we first were introduced to Randy, and Randy helped us put together a package that made sense.
What I seek is what's best for the customer. I'm not loyal to a brand. I'm not trying to force anything that I want to sell in there. I truly want that facility to have the best solution for them.
If you've got any questions along the way, he brings you along and answers those questions. And if there's a problem, he's there to help fix it. That's what I've gotten with FSG, and I want to continue that. We changed out about 300 fixtures. We have 3 different levels in our garage, and it was a fantastic project. We are now probably 90 days free of having ever changed a bulb down there, which my maintenance folks love it, and we're having a ball being able to do other things besides change light bulbs.
Yeah, in a theater environment, they're much more critical as far as all the aspects of lighting. They want to have color, they want to have energy, they want to have the proper light output, they want long life. Everything is about aesthetics, everything about making everything look as good as possible, and this is what we try to achieve. Working around a theater is just exciting.
Encore was I've used them several times in other projects when I was with the school district, and it's a very good system. It ended up being about a 10 or 11% reduction in the project cost. Many people equate it to the sales tax, but we're tax exempt, so it really reduce our cost of this project. So it was a very good system. It helped increase the payback almost by a year just having their partnership. So I really appreciate Encore's efforts in this. We just got about 30 days ago our first electrical bill, and pleased to tell you, and I just told my boss the other day, it's about $800 lower than it was the month before. So it's a terrific savings, and I'm hoping it continue. Well, I know it'll continue, and it's something that I think our board's interested in, and I know our CEO is interested in also.
FSG has just done such a tremendous job about recognizing the need that people have for their facilities, and they have actually built the company around those needs. So we can do anything from their lighting to their electrical to signage to low voltage to data, communications, fiber optics, security, audio, visual, the list just goes on and on. It's just so exciting to have all those things to work with. How do you do, I wouldn't want to work anywhere else.